Montessori, Sanjeevani Nagar welcomes you. Today we are going to take geography and in geography because this is for primary classes we call it social science, and this is very good for competitions also. Previously in my last video I have talked about dense forest land or DRCs. Now here we are going to talk about snow, the land of snow. As soon as we hear snow we feel cold, isn't it? So anyway, if you like the video, kindly subscribe for it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Subscribe for Wonderworld Montessori School channel which you're watching, so kindly subscribe for it. So let's start with the land of snow. The region around the poles is called polar region. Around the North Pole is Arctic Ocean. Always remember this: North Pole, Arctic, and the South Pole is Antarctic. And what are the lands out there? It is the Greenland. It is the world's largest island. It is situated near the North Pole. Now today we are going to study about this, the Greenland. We are going to study its location, we are going to study its climate, vegetation, etc. So let's study. First thing is location. As I said, it is the island on the North Pole. So obviously it is very cold there. The Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate Greenland from the northern island of Canada. Greenland is a part of Denmark. Remember that. And then let's know about the land. Greenland covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. The island looks white as about 80% of the land is permanently under snow and ice. The average thickness of ice sheet is about 1500 meters. Imagine. The lower layer of this ice sheet maybe existed since the last ice age. Then let's come to the climate. What do you think will the climate be here? The climate obviously will be very cold, won't it be? The Greenland has an Arctic type of climate. The winters are long and cold. The sun does not rise for several weeks and it is freezing. The temperature drops to the below freezing point. And now vegetation. What do you think will be the vegetation of this area where there is always chill and snow? Correct. Seed germinates and plants grow in summer season only. The only plant that grows here are mosses, lichens, grasses and bushes. Some flowers bloom in springs. Then after this, let's come to the life of people. Obviously the life of people will be very difficult out here. And what do we call these people? Yes, correct. They are known as Eskimos, or they are also known as Inuits. They come to Greenland from North America and settle here from many years ago. These people have come here and they have settled down here. And you might have heard of igloos. They stay in igloos. Then next is occupation. What will be the occupation? Inuits are skilled fishermen and hunters. They hunt animals for their meat, skin and fat. Earlier they used harpoons to hunt animals. Now they are used automatic rifles. Then what are the cities down there? The thick sheet of ice has restricted settlements to the coastal areas. There are very few towns in Greenland. And what is the name of the town which is there? It's Nuuk, or Gotthab is the capital of and it is the largest city. I am sure you might have understood this lesson, and this is the land of snow. I have discussed one of the land, and that is Greenland or the Denmark out there, which is a part of Denmark. Wish you a very good day and take care. Bye.